Skyhawk.
Skyhawk 01 and Harrier 01 overhead at this time.
If you've got the coordinates, you are cleared in. I believe the zone is hot.
Roger that. Understand target is at the southwest side of the tree line.
That's firm.
Roger that. We'll be in from southeast to northwest. And we're carrying 8 Mark 82s each.
Copy 8 Mark 82.
And the Harrier's airborne with the shaky base.
Copy Harrier. Follow Skyhawk.
Skyhawk, see your position.
Skyhawk's in the, turning to the southwest at this time.
How's your tally?
Insight, continue.
Skyhawk's in hot.
Roger, continue. And clear hot. From leads hits north 100. Insight, continue.
Over 33, this is lift 21. I have you to say we're linking up, waiting for the insertion or the pickup.
Over 33. Harrier cleared hot.
Skyhawk, you want to hold overhead.
BDA 50 over 100. Skyhawk, another pass, please.
Coming in.
Hit 2's hits.
Good high, southeast.
Skyhawk insight, continue.
It's way up there.
Skyhawk clear hot.
Good high.
Harrier insight, continue. Over a 3-3, come inbound. Harrier cleared hot. Now about 100 meters east of the impact zone.
Cover 33 inbound.
Continue your good sound. Skyhawk Harrier hold.
We're holding.
Harrier's holding.
I got my head down.
Rocket, rocket, rocket.
I mark with smoke, identify color. Roger, I'm off your nose, 200 meters.
Rocket, rocket, rocket.
Skyhawk, you look next. Close the back door, please.
F21 will be braking to the left in about 100 meters.
Skyhawk in sight, continue.
Cover 33, braking left, brake. F21 is right behind you. Thank you, sir. It's on the ground back there, but we're okay, and they were entered into base.
Roger, Pat 2-1 here. Rotorcraft are clear. Cut the zone.
South in hot.
Skyhawk, clear hot.
Okay, Skyhawk, are you RTB?
I am.
Okay.
One other pass.
You can do another pass, let me know.
Yeah, we'll do one more pass and then get out of here.
Okay, I'll be behind you.
Did I understand Harrier's got napalm?
Harrier's got napalm. A4 is going to make one gun pass, followed by the Harrier with napalm.
Sounds like a plan. Insight.
I need to tell all the folks at Winston-Salem the A4 had a great time and we hope to be back soon. A4 in pole.
Roger, insight, continue. A4, clear simcast, keep the heads down.
Harry's in hot.
Insight, continue.
A4 is going over the boss man.
And Harrier, clear hot.
What happened to the wall of fire?
Need another pass.
Okay, I don't see anything. You want the Harrier with another pass?
Yes, sir. Another pass. 2 pass.
Roger.
Harrier, can you give me one more?
Sure.
Master arm to arm, took him.
Harrier will be back inbound after suffering a ordnance malfunction. The pilot has cleared the air and will be coming back in at the direction of the FAC.
Harry's in, last pass.
Harrier inbound, all arming lights on.
Continue. Target's 1,000 meters, you're clear hot. And that was hot, 100 over 100, RTB.
Roger, and Harrier's going to have to burn down. I'll do a couple photo passes, then back in for hour.
Cobra and Huey inbound to RTB.
Pat 2-1's off the air.